Today guys, we are making a folder icon in Photoshop CS6. You need to download Adobe PhotoShop CS6 and IcoFX to make your folder icon. You can download these softwares from description of this video. Give it name as you want, and select your height and width in 512 pixels. And your background contents must be transparent. Select rectangular marquee tool and make a selection like this. Right click on selection and click transform selection. Then right click again and select perspective. In the menu bar click select, then from the drop down menu click refine edge. Follow my steps here. Now select paint bucket tool and left click to paint your selection. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Move it down by holding Ctrl and make new layer after giving a name to first layer. Select rectangular marquee tool again and draw a new selection like this. Apply first steps on this selection again. Make a new group and move these layers in this group. Now click File in the menu bar and select your image that you want. I will select Fantastic Four movie cover image. Decrease the size of image near 512 pixels. And then move this image and drop it at your folder template. Select front layer and then select magic wand tool. Click once on blank screen and it shall make a selection. Now click your Fantastic Four image layer and press delete button. Click on layer style and select gradient overlay. After selecting top layer, I'm giving a name to folder template labeled Fantastic Four. If you have a cover name of Fantastic Four, then you can use this name. save this image in PNG format, and you can also save the project file of that image for next use. You can see that it is my PNG folder template. Now I'm converting it into ICO file. For this you need to run ICOFX. Click File, open and select your PNG image file of your folder template. Click Create an icon from your image, and save this image on your desktop. You have done. It is my folder icon. Let's change the icon of my folder. Yeah, it is working 100%ly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos to your friends.